Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the check-in time for your Airbnb listing. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Tap on Listings to access all of your active Airbnb properties. This will bring up a list of all the properties you currently have listed on the platform. Once you're viewing your listings, locate and tap on the specific listing where you want to modify the check-in time. This could be any of your active properties, so make sure you select the correct one that you want to update. Tapping on it will open up all the detailed settings and information for that particular listing. Now at the top of your screen, you'll see several tabs and options for managing different aspects of your listing. Tap on Arrival Guide. This section is specifically designed to help you manage all the details related to your guests' arrival experience, including check-in times, instructions, and access information. It's an important feature that helps set clear expectations for your guests. Within the Arrival Guide section, you'll see an option labeled Check-in. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where you can control all the specifics about when and how guests can access your property, making it easier to coordinate arrivals that work with your schedule. Next, you'll see the Start Time field. Tap on it to reveal the time selection options. This is where you can specify exactly when guests are allowed to begin their check-in process. The timing you set here is crucial because it helps guests plan their arrival and ensures you have enough time to prepare the property between bookings. From the time picker that appears, select your preferred check-in time. Browse through the available time slots and choose the one that works best for your schedule and property management routine. Consider factors like cleaning time and any personal commitments when making your selection. After you've selected your desired check-in time, tap Save to confirm and apply your changes. This will update your listing with the new check-in time, and your guests will see this updated information when they book or review their reservation details. And that's it. You've successfully updated the check-in time for your Airbnb listing, giving you better control over guest arrivals. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.